Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Nick and this is 7 Minutes or Less. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you recently upgraded from a non-iPhone X or non-iPhone 10 device. So like an iPhone 6, 7, iPhone 5, 4, or even from an Android to now an iPhone X or 10s, or even you updated your iPad Pro 10.5 or 12.9 inch to the new iOS 12.1. I wanted to make a video of some helpful tips, some basic, some a little more advanced, that I hope you find useful. There's 9 and I saved my favorite one for last, so let's jump in them. First, gestures. If you're coming from a device that doesn't have a home button, you'll simply swipe up from the bottom to go home. Let's say you're looking for a new app and you want to go home. Well, now on the iPhone XS Max, as well as the iPad that's running 12.1, you simply swipe up to go home. In a similar motion, you'll swipe up and hold to find recently used apps. And you can select one of those apps from that area, or you can discard one or all of them. So you can select the App Store from there, or simply swipe up and hold, and you can disperse those apps in either system. So either way, you can do one or the other. Swiping down from the top right corner is now going to bring up your control center. And in both scenarios, you can see that they've added a lot of widgets now, one of which is now my favorite, being the Apple TV control center right there. And you just tap off of that screen and the control center will go away. A super hidden secret is tucked away in the settings of your iPhone XS Max. You'll go to General, you'll go down to Accessibility, and from there, you'll choose Reachability, which will now allow you to slightly pull down a little bit, and it shrinks the screen to about half the size. Animojis and Memojis on the iPhone XS Max are now found in Messages. Choose the little funny monkey, and you can see my Memoji. My son really loves playing with the monkey. And that's where you find your Animojis and Memojis. One fun feature is found in your photos. You can go to my recent photos and find one that you did a brand new portrait on. Here, you can edit that photo, and when you choose to edit that photo, in the bottom, if it's a portrait photo, you can change how blurry or how clear you want the background of this portrait mode photo to appear. Since there's no home button, like previously, long pressing on the iPad home button would bring up Siri. You simply long press on the side button of the iPhone XS Max to bring up Siri. If you want to shut off the device on the iPad, you still simply push the button at the top and it will bring up the screen for you to turn off the device. Here, you need to press the side button as well as the top volume control. Pushing both together will bring up the screen to turn off the device. And lastly, is my favorite and most useful feature is the cursor trackpad. So let's say you're typing something out and you have to go back to fix something that you were typing. Well, if you're utilizing this setting before, you had to figure out how to manage and navigate your way through there. But now, simply hold down the spacebar and that'll bring up a trackpad. Very nice and easy for you. I hope you found these tips useful. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. Give us a like, a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out some more videos, and we will see you next time. Bye guys.